Gate or grid, Lil? Gate or grid? Get your feet down. And get your feet down. Okay. Hold on.
You should add a picnic there.
Yeah. We weren't streaming.
No.
The photo of the very go through the bit jumpy. Got slow. We're at Dovedale. Come for a walk. We had to queue for 20 minutes to get on the car park. Lily's filming. No idea why, she never puts it on YouTube.
Because I don't know how to do it.
I'll help you. Oh. God, it's slippy.
I know, that's fine.
Oh my God, it is. I've had them about 15 years, Jane, they're worn.
I was going to get you some more with my own money.
Where?
But I couldn't because I didn't have enough money.
Walking Dovedale, trying out the Insta 360 again, and the Views VR on the way back. I'm shattered.
No, seriously.
Lots of steps at Dovedale. And I think this is that Lover's Leap at the top of here, on the other side. So yeah, come out. It's a beautiful day. Started the kids' holidays, half term February, and try the cameras out. Nice walk. Shattered. Lots of people. Let's go chop reel, Al.
Oh no, it's coming with food.
Right, Lil. Careful.
I don't think I can now.
Come in here.
No,
Yeah.
no,
It's not a mass way to drop there, but
no, I'm not coming back down.
sunshine in the distance.
Somebody else.
Whew. So they've cut all the trees down well. These must have been dangerous, too close to the path, look.
Can I have that tomorrow?
Yeah, that big one. See how they mark them? The ones that they got the red on to cut. See, look. So they know which ones to cut off.
Ooh.
Come on then.
Oh no.
Come on. I'm only going up to this bit. Look at the arch.
They wait for me.
Coming well. We're going up to one of the rock formations at Dovedale. I believe they climb across around this arch. It's very steep, but you're right, kid.
No.
You know, come on. Come on. Sense of adventure. You keep it all. Wouldn't jump out of an aeroplane.
Dad, what is this? I'm not going down there.
I'm out of breath. You stopping there, Lil? Okay. Ooh. I need oxygen now. It's a bit steep. Right. That is the arch. And it goes off into like a cave at the back. How cool's that? Well, we're just coming up to Dove Caves now, and the Insta 360 has just come up with a message saying card too slow, which is weird because it's a V10 U3 card or whatever. So yeah, the camera kept on saying standby, the Insta did, 361X, and now it's saying card too slow. But I've had no issues with it since I've had it, and I've used those cards in 4K and in the E360, which was 5.7K before. So I'm going to have to buy a more expensive card for it, and then use the card that's in, because it's a 128 gig card. Not that expensive, probably about £30, but we have to get another one. So we're going to Dove Caves, do some photos in 360, which the camera will be fine with, and then get out the views for the way back when the slow coaches get here. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Right, so I think just round this corner should be the caves. Oh, what's this? That's an interesting crevice. I bet you can climb up that with your feet and hands. There's a plaque here on the wall. Here we go. The Dale and adjoining lands became National Trust property through the vision of the late F.A. Holmes MAJP of Buxton, who planned to that end from 1916 to 1947. W. Holmes 1911 to 1986 continued this work in his father's footsteps. No, it is a cave, but it's not Dove Caves. And then that, I think, is called Lover's Leap, where people have allegedly plummeted off to their deaths at some point in history. Quite a tall spire. And the bridge going over it, if you want to go climb it. Finally, Dove Caves. End of the trip. Other than turning around and going all the way back. Ooh, a bit slippy.
We keep inviting him to the parties we go to with Kedge, and he's like, oh, I can't do that, you know, I want my bed at the end of the night, blah, blah, blah. So he hasn't actually come along to it in the end.
So yeah, we're at Dove Caves now, and there's chains up on the top where people climb all the way around the arch, and it really is quite a beautiful spot. Is it cool in here, Lil?
Yeah.
As in cold cool? It's not burning. Yeah, oh no burning I think. Right, walk over. Almost back at the car. How many steps, Lil? 11,630 steps.
16. Mum's done 16,000.
Oh, from this morning as well. Yeah, that's a lot. So we've proved the Insta card isn't fast enough. We've tested the views out in 3D 180 and we're just finishing off on the GoPro because it's getting dark. What time is it now? 5 to 5. We're walking for 3 hours. So we've just got to put all the footage back together when we get back home now. So there'll probably be 3 videos worth out of this. 360 video, the GoPro and the Insta together with whatever footage I've managed to get off the Insta. I'm very disappointed with that card. It's supposed to be fast enough. And then obviously the 180, which I've got to try render and finally do a 180 for YouTube. People still walking along the path now. Right, let's get home. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed all the videos. As always, stay safe. Catch you next time. Cheers. Bye.